Automated sorter induction can improve your distribution center's productivity and capacity by replacing or supplementing manual induction, freeing limited labor from monotonous and repetitive tasks. Designed to handle the most common products in postal and e-commerce operations, including boxes, polybags, and jiffy bags, the system seamlessly integrates into your existing workflow, minimizing your cost and technical risk. Automated label orientation ensures the proper function of mission-critical sortation systems elsewhere in your supply chain. The robot also loads as many sorter trays as possible, enabling you to handle larger product volumes and make the most of your sortation equipment. Whether you need to handle more product, ease your staffing burden, or both, automated sorter induction will help you to optimize induction point productivity and maximize your sortation capacity.